Hello class and welcome to CIS224 online. I am Dennis Webb and I will be your virtual instructor for this semester, and I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to Canvas, the learning tool that we'll be using for the course, and give you some basic steps and things that you need to be aware of to help you be successful in the class during this semester. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show you is once you log in to Canvas, hopefully you've found the Canvas site. If not, you can get there by navigating to the Scottsdale Community College homepage. If you click on Students, over here on the right, you will see Canvas. And you simply log in using your MEID and password. I'm currently demonstrating using student mode, so that's why I got that access denied message. So once you get logged into Canvas, under your dashboard, one of the courses that you should see will be CIS224. If not, you need to contact the admissions office and have them get that fixed for you. But I don't expect anybody to have any issues with that. Once you are able to get logged in, you should be landed on the Home tab, which is also the same as the modules. So if you click on modules, you'll notice that that takes you to the same place as if you were on the Home tab. So we'll get back to the Home and modules in just a second. First thing I wanted to mention is the announcements section. I'll be posting weekly, if not more frequent, updates to the announcements section. This will be when I publish new modules, when assignments are coming due. If anybody's having a specific problem, I might post an update here. You should also be notified by email when I post an announcement. So just keep an eye here to make sure you're not missing anything. And I did post a welcome announcement here, and you'll notice that the first assignment is due tonight. This is basically just introducing yourself, making sure that you're aware that the class started and that you've been able to log on to Canvas. So you can click on the assignment link here, and basically you're just posting an announcement in the announcements section. Make sure you get that done today. Okay, the next section I wanted to show you all is the syllabus. This has got your basic syllabus for the course. You can click on the little preview icon if you want to see the preview, or you can download the full document. This has got your boilerplate template information for the course, your section, description, prerequisites, the textbooks that are required. There are two, Microsoft Project 2016 Step-by-Step and Project Management for the Unofficial Project Manager. So make sure you get those textbooks. Basic grading scale, assignments, about 60% of the class, discussions about 15%, quizzes about 9%, and your final project will be about 17%. Response time, if you contact me, I suggest using the Canvas messaging system instead of email. You can use both, but you'll probably get a quicker response by using the Canvas messaging system. I do try to respond within 24 to 48 hours. During the weekends, I'm paying a little bit less attention to the computer, but I will try to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. You can scan through the rest of the information here that's provided in the syllabus. You also will see your course summary in the syllabus, which is a great place to go to see what assignments are coming due on each day. You'll notice that most assignments are due on Mondays and Fridays. There are, I think, a couple of exceptions to that. Don't depend on that, but you can always go here. You can also, if you go back to the Home tab, you can also click on this View Course Calendar, which is very helpful. This will give you a really nice view into all of the assignments and when they're going to be due. So I'll go back here to the syllabus section that we were just talking about. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is back to the Home tab and modules, which is where we'll be spending most of our time in the course. As the semester continues, I will be publishing more modules. I try to publish modules about 2 weeks before any assignments are due. So that gives you a full 2 weeks to work ahead of schedule. And I encourage you to do that. If you wait till the last minute to work on assignments, life events happen, which may prevent you from getting something in on time. You'll notice most of my assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. or midnight. In order to keep the course flowing, I have to have a no late work policy. So if it's due at 11:59 and you get it turned in at 12:01, that unfortunately is going to be considered late. I can't, if I let assignments be turned in 1 minute late, then what's the difference between 1 minute and 2 minutes and a half an hour? You kind of see where that's going. And if I allow assignment late for one student, I have to allow the whole class. And then that sets a precedent for I allowed late for one assignment, why not allow it for another assignment? And things just spiral out of control. So that's my explanation of why I don't allow late work. But I do try to publish things 2 weeks in advance. So I encourage you, work ahead. That way when an emergency or something does come up, you don't have to panic. You're ahead of schedule and you've got some time to recover from that. Okay, so basically I encourage you to start by navigating the welcome module. In here you'll find some basic information about myself, where I can be, how I can be contacted. You can leave me messages at the CIS department, email, Canvas messaging. If you want to talk to me in person, I am available on campus in CM446 on Monday nights from 5 to 6 p.m. That is also the CIS tutoring lab. In the home tab here under helping you succeed, actually it's under general course information tutor lab schedule. Right here you'll see that I am available from 5 to 6 on Mondays. And the tutoring lab is available to you free as a student of Scottsdale Community College. So you can feel free to stop into the tutoring lab if you're having problems with the course. Ideally during my hour, but any of the staff members that are on will be able to help you with your questions during that time. So it's a valuable resource and I encourage you to use it. So back to our modules, home tab. Feel free to review information about myself, how to contact me, some basic information about online learning. First Steps Helping You Succeed is some general information about help that you can get on campus. And then some general course information, the course materials that we discussed on the syllabus, the textbooks that we will be using, and some other basic information. So I encourage you to review all of this information in these first 3 modules. The 4th module is your first assignment here, the Introduce Yourself by 9 p.m. Please get that done today by clicking on this and go ahead and typing in your reply, introducing yourself based on the requirements stated up here. What's your name? Why did you choose to take the course? All of this information here. Okay, the next module will be your first orientation module here. This is basically just getting you up to speed with the basic process that we'll be using throughout the semester of submitting a homework assignment. So this is a pretty basic assignment and a basic syllabus scavenger hunt to show that you reviewed the syllabus. And these will be all due on September 13th, so you've got a solid 10 days to get this done. So you can start at the top, read the description. Once you've done that, you can move on to assignment number 1, read the instructions and follow what it asks you to do here in this assignment. Once you get done with that, you'll be on your way to being successful in the course. I did also publish Module 1. All of the modules will have an introduction and learning objectives. So this will give you a brief introduction of what we will be doing in the class or in the module, what course competencies it relates to from the calendar, and all of your module learning objectives. So in this module, you'll be opening and navigating Microsoft Project 2016 and demonstrating your ability to create a simple project. Next in the module, you've got a step-by-step. This is out of the textbook some instructions on what you need to do in this module. And then next, we have an assessment, which is a homework assignment for Module 1. And all of the information on how to complete this assignment is here. So as I publish new modules, I encourage you to review them and start at the top and work your way down until the next module is published. You also got your grades here. This is where you can go to see, since I'm simulating a test student, this is where you'll be able to see your grades up to the current date in the class. And that's all. I hope everybody has a great day, and please do get your Introduce Yourself assignment done, and please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you throughout the semester on Microsoft Project. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.